Hi everyone, we're excited to introduce Treasure Jumpers. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. I am Isaiah Pango from BSIT together with
I'm Michael Pasamonte from Computer Science.
I am Luis Matthew Lomedo from Computer Science also.
Treasure Jumper is a treasure hunting adventure game which the user can explore, hunt enemies for side quests, and also hoard treasures which can be useful for
Where the path to treasure is never straightforward, and every movement could lead to fortune or danger. In this game full of hidden riches, you are the one brave enough to venture into the unknown, overcome challenges, and discover secrets lost in time.
Moving in speed is the primary way to overcome danger and challenges. Remember, healing critically is the key. Every map moves a treasure that are essential to its ending.
So this is the game mechanics. Before you set off on your treasure hunt, let's go over to the game mechanics. You need to explore different maps, solve puzzles, and make critical choices along the way.
First and foremost is the movement. Use the arrow keys to move your character. Explore the environment and search for clues. You can sprint over obstacles using the spacebar button to make your way across chasms.
Second, the inventory along the way, you'll find various items, tools, treasure maps, and keys. These will help you solve puzzles or unlock hidden pathways. Access your inventory by pressing the I key to check what you've collected.
Third, explorations and interactions. Each map is filled with secrets. You can interact with objects by pressing E or A. The more you explore, the more you will uncover. Be mindful. However, not every path will lead to treasure. Some may lead to danger.
Fourth, enemies and combat. Dangerous creatures and traps await you in each level. If you encounter an enemy, use the C key to attack or defend. You can also dash by pressing shift to avoid enemy attacks.
And lastly, puzzle solving. Some treasure chests are locked and key to unlocking them lies within your surroundings. You'll need to solve environmental puzzles by moving objects, deciding rules, and activating the mechanism leading throughout each map.
Every level has a different difficulties. Every map has different enemies and obstacles. Treasure Jumper is a game that can challenge every gamer to think critically to overcome every possible obstacle that is shown in the way.
At the last level, where the most climax part of the game will be shown, a plot twist will happen, and after that, a post-credit scene will appear, and voila, the end. Thank you everyone for listening, and happy hunting! Yay!